Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, as well as a 2-inch lift kit, all-terrain tires, drive mode selector, integrated brake controller, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling coupled with storage at the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the wood and chrome accents. There's black running boards here. And these leather heated seats with power adjustable lumbar on the driver's side. Left side you'll have your vents, below with your drive mode selector, 2 and 4 wheel, and lighting controls. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel with a black bow tie. And the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control with 2 paddle shifters right behind. And for the odometer, it's all digital. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, gauges, adaptive cruise, as well as audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings. It's going to be push to start and on to the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera and your parallel mirror cams. It's also got built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and Amazon Alexa. And below you're going to have lane keep assist, park assist, as well as your hill descent control, part of the Z71 package. Below the wood and chrome accents, you've got the integrated brake controller next to your dual zone climate control, 2 USB ports, and the center console with brand new shifter, a wireless charger pad, 2 more USB ports, and an AC wall charger. Passenger side, same finish but manually adjustable, still heated, wood and chrome all the way across, speakers and vents up top. And then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your power rear sliding window. So you're going to use blacked out 18-inch wheels on Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain tires. You're going to get the Z71 badging, the black hood scoop with the black mirror caps and door handles as well. You're going to have the soft rolling tonneau cover, Trail Boss badging with the black corner step bumper and dual exhaust. Trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under with the Ranchero shocks. You get your 2 LED lamps as well as an AC wall port and around 12 bed tie downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear interior. You get more paneling and storage next to speakers, power window with the wood and chrome accent. Hop at the back. Very good legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side. With rear cup holders, rear ventilation, and USB ports. Cup holder armrest right in the center. Storage behind the seats, as well as storage under. Lamps up top and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss, equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as a 2-inch lift kit, Z71 package, Falcon all-terrain tires, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.